Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are talking about how to make particle dissolve text effect intro in InShot application. In first step, we have to create a blank video and set the duration of your intro. Now add text, adjust the size, okay, and click here, then select clip end, okay. Now save this clip. In second step, click on video and then click new and go to material. From here select atmosphere and then select this clip. Okay, here is the clip. Now click on PIP, picture in picture. Okay, and import your video. Okay, now click on this icon to adjust to full screen and then click on animation. From here select this, okay, and adjust the time. So here is the final result. After that click on save. This is the easiest way I know how to make particle dissolve text effect intro in InShot application. If you know any other better way, please write down in comment section below. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.